Hello and welcome. In this tutorial video, we'll understand how to add custom domains onto your online store. So let's get started. Log into your online store, then click on online store settings, then enter store URL. I'll recap it for you. After you have logged into your seller panel, you have to click on online store, then on settings, and then enter store URL. On the screen, you'll see 5 steps which you'll go through to add custom domain onto your online store. The first step is to type in your domain name. If you already have a domain name, you can straight away type it here, or you can click on purchase domain name and buy a domain at a discounted price. So the next step is to buy SSL certificate. To do that, just click on purchase SSL certificate button and you'll be able to buy SSL certificate at a discounted price. Now the point to remember is not to issue the SSL certificate here, just buy it. Once you have bought the SSL certificate, then click on generate CSR button. This form will open up where you have to type in your domain name, your organization name, city, state, country code, and your email ID. Once you have done that, click on generate CSR button. Clicking on generate CSR will give you public key and private key. Please copy paste both the codes in separate notepad files. Use the certificate signing request, that is public key, to issue the SSL certificate. Once the SSL certificate is issued, you have to submit the SSL certificate. To do that, click on submit SSL certificate button. On the screen, type in your domain name again and then public key and CA bundle you'll receive from your SSL certificate provider. So just copy paste the code here. Private key which we had generated in the previous step is already here. So all you have to do now is to click on validate and save. Once you do that, SSL certificate integration will be completed. Moving on to the last step where you have to make changes to the DNS of your domain. So log into your domain panel and in the DNS section, add the A record. If it is already added, then just type in the IP details which are listed here and then add a CNAME. All the details are listed here. Point to remember is that you have to ensure that TTL, which is time to live, is the minimum value possible. Once you have made the changes, just save them and your online store will go live on your custom domain. Let's have a quick recap. You have to open the seller panel of your online store, then navigate onto online store setting and enter store URL section. There, the first step is to type in your domain name. In case you don't have a domain name, you can buy it from there. Is to purchase SSL certificate, that again you can buy it at discount. It's CSR, then submit CSR certificate details, then make changes to the domain DNS, that is A record and CNAME. If you have done all this, your online store will be now live on the custom domain. Now let's understand few points to remember. First is, after buying SSL, don't issue it straight away. Use the CSR generated from your online store to issue it. Second point is, after you have taken your online store live on your custom domain name, ensure that it is listed with your payment gateway provider. Otherwise, your payment gateway will stop functioning. Third point is to update links of all the banners on your online store, else your customer will keep landing on the older site, which will cause payment gateway related issues. And the fourth point is to change the domain name and all the promotional and marketing material so that your customers can land on the newer site. In this way, you'll be able to add custom domain onto your online store. Thanks for watching.